our topic is the osmotic pressure. It is the colligative property osmotic pressure. So first we see what is osmosis. Osmosis is a process in which semi-permeable membrane is essential. Semi-permeable membrane is essential for osmosis process. There is low concentration and higher concentration. The flow of solvent molecules from lower concentration to higher concentration through semi-permeable membrane is known as osmosis. So osmosis is a process defined as the flow of solvent molecules from lower concentration to higher concentration through semi-permeable membrane is known as osmosis. After this, osmotic pressure. Now if we apply the pressure, external pressure in both sides of solution, any external sources, if we apply the external pressure to both sides of solution, then the concentration of both type of solution becomes equal. If the concentration is equal to both sides, so osmosis process is stopped. That external pressure which is used to apply the osmosis process are known as osmotic pressure. So osmotic pressure is that external pressure which must be applied to a solution in order to prevent the flow of solvent into the solution through the semi-permeable membrane. Shortly, the osmotic pressure which required to stop the osmosis process. Pressure which required to stop the osmosis process are known as osmotic pressure, and it is denoted by the symbol pi. So osmosis is the spontaneous process of flow of solvent molecules from lower concentration to higher concentration through semi-permeable membrane is known as osmosis, and the external pressure which is used to stop the osmosis process are called osmotic pressure. After this, we prove osmotic pressure is a colligative properties. So osmotic pressure is a colligative properties is proved by as osmotic pressure is a colligative property. Scientists want to propose that the gaseous state and dilute solution state. Propose that the gaseous state and the dilute solution state having many similarities. Concentration and temperature have same effect on osmotic pressure of solution as pressure affect the gas. Similarly temperature and concentration also affect the solution. That's why all the gas laws summarized ideal gas equation PV equals to nRT. So all the gas law is also applied to the osmotic pressure dilute solution. So ideal gas equation is PV equals to nRT. So osmotic pressure, it is PV equals to nRT. So in place of pressure of gas, the pressure of solution replacing through pi. So pi V equals to nRT or pi equals to n upon V RT. When n upon V equals to C. C is the molar concentration of solution. When pi equals to CR T, where C is the molar concentration of solution, R is gas constant, T is Kelvin temperature, and number of moles of solute, and B is the volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter. In the equation 1, if R and T, in the equation 1, if R and T are constant, then equation 1 becomes pi directly proportional to C. Pi is directly proportional to C. And from clear this equation, pi osmotic pressure is directly proportional to molar concentration of solution, and molar concentration depends upon the number of moles of solute. Therefore, osmotic pressure is a colligative property. So we prove that osmotic pressure is a colligative property by this equation, pi directly proportional to C. After this, with the help of osmotic pressure, we also find out the molecular mass of solute. So we can find out molecular mass of solute. Molecular mass of solute. Calculation of molecular mass. We know that pi equals to CRT, where C is the molar concentration of solution. C is the molar concentration of solution, and C equals to NB, where NB is the number of moles of solute, which is equals to WB mass of solute upon molecular mass of solute, and B is the volume of solution in liter. So from equation 1, pi equals to NB upon B RT, and when since NB equals to WB upon MB, so pi equals to WB into R into T upon MB into B. From equation 2, we can find out the osmotic pressure of solution, and now we calculate the molecular mass of solute. So WB into R into T upon pi into B. So with the help of equation 3, we can calculate the molecular mass of non-volatile solute. So first we see what is osmosis. Osmosis is the spontaneous flow of the solvent molecules from lower concentration to higher concentration through semi-permeable membrane. Secondly, osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure is that external pressure which is required to stop the osmosis process, denoted by pi. Then we see osmotic pressure is a colligative property. It is directly proportional to molar concentration of solution. And third, we calculate the molecular mass.